Hey there, I just wanted to share with you important things like the cons that you need to know about the Mob 2 Lite by Xiaomi. So the first thing, the pros and cons. Battery life is inefficient for cleaning large areas or entire homes in one go. You have only 2600. I know it's a light, but I just wanted to be aware that if you have a large space, it's not going to be that amazing for a large space. The mapping system is often inaccurate, leading to missed spots and efficient cleaning routes, and lacks advanced navigation features, resulting in random and sometimes repetitive cleaning paths. So these are like important things to know. And also another thing about the Xiaomi, that they get a 2200 PA. So this is another also like really important thing, is that the suction power is not that not that best. Just be aware of it. I mean, if you have large space, if you don't have a lot of dirt, this could be sufficient. Just be aware that small space, not a lot of dirt, and you just want something to clean. It's really good. Like, you got low noise, good for pet owners. Just be aware of these cons if you want to purchase it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.